What's up guys, just in the house. So I went and I picked up some Gorilla Super Glue Gel. So I'm going to be using this to be putting the black trims on the front lip so it stays on and it doesn't come off. So let's get to it. Yeah, try not get the glue on your thumb, as you can see. Stuff is a nightmare. It's pretty shit, but I'm gonna try and get all this glue off me now. Yeah, front lip turned out okay. The little rubber lip is gonna protect the lip and the paint on the car from scratching and vibration, so looks really good. It's on there and yeah, I'm happy. Curry. Hey monster. It's dinner time for me. It's dinner time for him. I'll leave it at that. Don't forget, check out the website. Grab yourself a bag. Some new items. Peace. Good show. Got some wood. Gonna take the speakers out of this and mark everything up to jigsaw it all out. Now that's just rough, but I'm just going to drill a hole in this and then I'm going to get the jigsaw out and we'll cut this out and the speaker holes and get it wrapped. Now that's the two holes drilled, so the jigsaw will go in so I can do the holes and then we'll do this one out. So let's bring it out to the shed and get it set up. Right guys, had it all set up here. Have my jigsaw, bit of wood on a little chair there, so I'm not going to damage anything. So let's get to it. that one done. Let's get this middle piece out. Alright, we can do this. Perfecto. So that was simple enough. Let's see if the speakers fit in the holes. Screw these speakers in, get them into place, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. That's one in. Now we're going to get this one in. My speakers are in, now it's time to take them out and get the fabric on. Now guys, here's the funky material I chose for the speaker board. So let's get this measured up and see what way we're going to do it. Hopefully this end is the exact width. Now we'll have to do it lengthways, so we'll turn it over like this and get the board out from underneath. Flatten it out like so. I mean, shame it doesn't fit that way, but we will do it this way. I'm going to leave a good overhang so I can trim it. Let's get the scissors and get a cut. And all we have to do, turn this over that way because it's going down that way. Super cool. Like that. Fold it over and we can trim it back more, and then I'll obviously cut this out with the scissors, fold it over, staple it on, make it nice and neat. So let's get the spray glue down and then we'll push this on and we leave it for a few minutes. I'm just putting the glue on it to keep it on it, but I will be reaching this around and tacking it in with a good staple gun that I have there. Right guys, so that's the speaker board done. So the speaker board is done, ready to fit into the Mini. Looks really good, it's nice and clean, speakers cleaned up nice. But I do have another 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of wood. This is thinner. This stuff is a little bit thinner than the other stuff, so I might do 2 of these with maybe some just black fabric over them, with just the tunnel cut out with no speaker holes. And then I'm going to do the 2 of these with speaker holes. I'm going to do one for Aaron, and then I'm going to do one as a giveaway for anyone who watches the channel that does have a Mini. So I'll cut out the tunnel, and then I'll either cut out holes for the speakers or I won't, because whoever wins it either has speakers in the back or doesn't have speakers. So it will be covered in the same fabric. It's like a leatherette fabric. It's really nice. It looks really good. I just wanted to do it in a nice fabric so it look nice in the back of the Mini. I know it's darker than the leather, but it's underneath the seats and it's going to look nice. So guys, once again, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's a bit of a weird one, getting the front lip done and a speaker board. It doesn't look like a lot, but unfortunately with the garage with no electricity, I can't actually go down and do anything. Aaron has a CRX at the front with the most light, and it has 4 flat wheels and impossible to move. He does have 4 spare wheels now with tires, so we're going to be able to move it in and out. So I'm going to get the Mini to the front of the garage next week, and I'm going to get down, fit everything, get it up and running. The arches are ready to go. I'm just going to throw 2 coats of paint on them with lacquer. I got the can of paint, so that's the next thing to do. Paint them and lacquer them in the one day, go down the next day and fit them, because the front lip is ready. I'm going to redo the boot lid as well, because I did rub through with the sandpaper and I was like, I'll do it another time, but no, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it right, get it done. So guys, I really do appreciate you for watching the video. Please do like the video, give it a comment, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed, and join if you want. A new thing YouTube let me do, you can join the YouTube channel. I think it's like $2.99 or something, and YouTube obviously takes their share of it, and I get a certain amount for it. But anything I do make from my merch that I do, from the Patreon that I do, and from this, goes straight back into the channel in order to make these things so I can give them away. The Seicento build, so I can give it away. I give a lot away. I give hoodies away. I have new bags. I'm going to give them away. So I don't make an awful lot of money from it, but what I do make from it goes straight back into the channel and goes into prizes for you guys. So if you want to win something, join along, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you leave a comment and like. So guys, comment on this video. Speaker board, if you made it to the end, you'll know why. So anyone that does comment on my Facebook stories and my Instagram stories gets entered to the draw as well, and I'll do a spinny wheel, and whoever wins gets a speaker board, and I'll throw in some merch with it as well. So guys, thanks again for watching, and I will see you in the next one. So peace out, and don't forget, be dedicated guys. Thanks for watching. Peace.